We use a handheld device called meter dose inhaler with spacer to take medicine. It spreads the medicine through your mouth so that it can reach your airway. In this video, I will show you the general steps for correctly using this device. A meter dose inhaler has three parts: the mouthpiece cover, the mouthpiece, the medicine container. A spacer helps you to get more medicine into your airways. The spacer attaches to your inhaler's mouthpiece. It also contains the mouthpiece and cap. Step 1 is remove the mouthpiece cap and shake the inhaler. Step 2 is remove the cap from the spacer and make sure it's clean inside. Step 3 is if this is the first time you are using your inhaler, or if you have used it prior, you need to prime it before placing it inside the spacer. Check the instruction for how and when to do this with your inhaler. And the step 4 is attach your spacer with your inhaler. Step 5 is when you are ready to use it, stand or sit up straight. In step 6, breathe in deeply and breathe out completely to empty your lungs. Step 7 is put the mouthpiece of spacer into your mouth between your teeth and above your tongue. Close your lips around the mouthpiece and make a good tight seal. In step 8, press down firmly on the top of your inhaler to release one puff of medicine into your spacer. Breathe in as slowly and deeply as you can. In step 9, it is recommended that you hold your breath for approximately a count of 10. In step 10, finally breathe out slowly through your mouth. In step 11, if your medicine dose requires 2 puffs, you may need to wait before taking the second puff. Follow the instruction with you to know how long you need to wait between puffs. In step 12, after using your steroid inhaler, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. It's important to clear your inhaler and spacer to work properly. Check the instruction for your inhaler and spacer for the right way to clean them.